Well, I think they had their initial investigation done. Now they've expanded it out. And, you know, you have prosecutors who are out for blood in this case. Chicago's reputation has been driven through the mud. You got prosecutors and the police force who are extraordinarily upset, and they are throwing the book at this guy, and they're going to try to bury him.
So what's the likelihood that they will be able to bury him? How solid is it, their case?
I think it's a really, really strong case. It should be a slam dunk. It should be a grand slam. You know, you have two cooperating witnesses in the two brothers. You have 55 cameras that have caught part of the crime on tape. You have an outlandish story that most third graders wouldn't believe. And you have somebody that likely isn't the most credible witness in the world. So it should be a strong case. But, Kristen, as we all know, prosecutors have blown a whole bunch of slam dunk cases for celebrities in the past.
That's very true. And, you know, I have to bring in the other side here because Smollett's attorney is calling this 16-count indictment prosecutorial overkill. Listen to what he said just yesterday.
Even if he were supposedly the one who had orchestrated this is an outrage. The fact that he maintains his innocence makes it even more outrageous. 16 counts. I defy anybody to find any indictment anywhere where somebody has brought 16 counts for being a victim of a hate crime, basically.
Does he have a point, or are you still not buying it?
No, you know, I'm not buying it, but we do have to remember, I mean, Mark Geragos is an excellent attorney. He might turn this entire thing into a freak show in order to try to get his client off. And remember, you know, we had O.J. Simpson, we had R. Kelly, we had Snoop
It's already a
Dogg.
freak show.
Well, I'm sorry, it is a freak show.
It's already a big circus. What more could he do?
And the best thing Geragos can do is put the Chicago Police Department on trial and say that they are racist, say that they didn't like him because he was gay, and try to turn the entire thing into a freak show. Now, I'm not saying it's going to work, but if anybody can do it, if anybody can present a top-flight defense, it's Mark Geragos.
So what's the possibility that Smollett actually faces any jail time here?
Oh, I don't think there's any question. He is likely to go to jail, and in large part because he's been charged. Yeah, he's been charged with 16 Class 4 felonies, minimum sentence of a year, maximum of 3 years, and Chicago wants to make an example out of him for prophylactic deterrent purposes so the next guy or gal who thinks about doing this doesn't do it.
I tell you what, you get charged with 16 counts of felonies. I'm going to think twice before I do something like that. Not that I would have ever thought to do that to begin with. Andrew Stoltmann. Had to clear that one up. Andrew Stoltmann, thank you so much.
Anytime. Thank you.